guys saying out there that the snowstorm was not even that strong? Buddy, unless you're in Texas or places that don't get snow much, you're okay. I can get it. If you're in Indiana like me, and you didn't get that much snow, listen. The snow didn't. That means the storm didn't even start. This is literally what we got. Hold on. Oh, this is frozen shut. This is what we got. Sorry, you can't see because of the heavy light. Yeah, you see that? Most of this right now, what I'm saying and what I'm showing you guys is snow. My door can't even lock properly because of the ice. It's all over the place. I know you guys can't see it. I'm sorry. I want to go to another door and see if that works. So it's really bright today. Nope. Well, whatever. I'll try to show you guys another video of what I got. If you didn't get that much, I didn't get a big patch, you only got small. Unless you're in the hot states still, I understand. And if you're in like states that can't get a lot of snow, or do, and you're not getting that much snow, and you say, oh my gosh, everybody's overreacting against this storm, that. The storm started Saturday. January. Here, let me show you the guys the date of when it started to prove that those people saying, oh my gosh, the storm's not even that strong, we overreact. That's right here. January 24th is when the snowstorm started. If you posted before that, your snowstorm hasn't even started. We got packs of snow. So you guys are just faking it. The storm hasn't even started. It's huge. Yeah, guys, like and subscribe.